One of the questions that often comes back to me from my coaching is, can we put together a system which regularly makes profits where you can make an income from? And one of the things that I done 30 years ago, my mentor Vince Danzioni said day trading doesn't work. This was 30 plus years ago, maybe 35 years ago. And previous to that, I'd blown several accounts trying to be a day trader, but of course we didn't have the technology that we do have now. So the other question that a lot of people say, can we trade live? And so therefore what I've done is put together an option. It is going to be an exclusive club. It's not going to be for everyone. I don't want time wasters popping in and wasting my time. There's a lot of time wasters out there in Forex because they've blown several accounts and they're lost to know what to do. I'm only looking for serious people who want to make serious money on a regular basis. So what I've done, I put together a live webinar. If you want to join, you can just click on this area here and you can register. It's £100 for the year, £8.33 a month. And so therefore you can, and I'll show you the chart setup once you come into the live webinar, and I will be trading live if the charts are ready, of course. And if you've got any questions, you can just put in your details there and ask any questions, or go into Telegram. So this has come from popular demand. So if you're serious, now I know everyone wants everything for free, of course, it's human nature. But I'm not going to do anything for free. That my 30 years of experience comes at a price, a very small price in this instance. So I'm going to show you in the next few minutes the charts that I use and why they work so well. So in going forward, what we will be doing live during the New York session initially, we might go live a couple of times, depending on how many people are coming in, how many people are registered, and how popular it becomes. But I'm going to keep it exclusive. It is not going to the public. It is going to be for, I'd rather have 10 people that are serious about trading rather than 100 that are not. I'm not going to be wasting my time. My time is precious, as your time is as well. So there's a couple of rules and I'm going to explain them now. We have a number of moving averages. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are acting as, in this instance, resistance. And so we also have a golden death cross. So as the prices move down and the moving average moves down, this is moving into a downtrend continuation. So when we're live, this will be live as an example. And then we will be waiting for the price to go short only because of the rules in place. The other thing that we do is make sure that the price is overbought in a downtrend and oversold in an uptrend. So we can see that the price is moving up. We've got a buy signal here. So we're not going to be buying it because it's against the trend. Now this is a 15-minute chart, so it doesn't happen as quickly. It's not a 1-minute chart. So we can go back one. And we can say that we definitely have confirmation of a sell order because the rules apply. Stochastic is overbought in a downtrend. And we have a sell signal here. So grab our tool. $20 pip stop. Might be slightly less, but the rules are very, very simple and straightforward. Let's say 20 pip stop there. Plenty of room, as long as it's above the swing high. And then we go for 2.5. Risk to reward. You can go 2 times if you wish, but this is 50 pips profit. It's set and go. So in other words, you're not going to be looking at this. This is not something we do. I don't recommend people being at your chart all day. So this is ideal for people who have maybe an hour or 2. Maybe that's a bit too long, actually, a couple of hours maybe, but certainly an hour to spare to go live with me, and I can hold your hand as we go long. Now, as the title says, how to make $500 a day. Well, this is based upon one lot. So one lot is basically $10 per pip. So you're going to risk $200 to make $500. This is the reason why you don't look at it. And the target is here. So one of the reasons you don't look at it is a 15-minute chart, not a 1-minute chart. So you've set your parameters based upon the trading rules. You've set your stop above the previous high, and you've set a 2-to-1 risk, 2.5 risk to reward. Now, the 2.5 risk to reward is very important, because when you do get stopped out, it doesn't matter one iota. Because when you have a win, it is worth 2.5 times your risk. Okay, so when you have a 20 pip loss, it won't make any difference at all. And because the rules are so strict, then of course the chances of actually being correct are very, very high. The other point, of course, is that 50 pips is way below the average true range. The average true range might be 60, 70, 80 pips for a normal pair, and we are well within that. We're not looking for 100 pips or 150 pips. We're looking for just 50, but just 50 gives you that $500. Now, you may not be able to trade, for instance, one lot because your account's too small. That's fine. Then you can adjust your lot size accordingly. On the other hand, if you have a larger account, you could risk $2,000 to make $5,000 per day. Now, if you're just starting out, what I would say is get a $10,000 demo account, and then you just go one lot. Okay, one lot each time, and therefore you are going to bank 500 pips. And it is also about discipline with a demo account. It's not there to just have fun with. It is there to teach you the discipline you need to become a successful trader. And my preference is position trading and swing trading. If you know me for a while, you'll know that. And each day for members, I'll give you the major positions, the major trends, and the stops and the targets. Allow me to give you some more examples. This is the US Canadian on the 15-minute chart. We have a golden cross. In other words, the price has gone higher, and the moving averages are stacked on top of each other, and there's a gap. So we're waiting for the pullback. This is the pullback here, and as you can see, it's going to likely at this point go long. So this is long, and therefore there's the buy signal on an oversold condition in an uptrend, clearly. So what we'll be doing live in the market when we get these conditions, again, a 15-minute chart. So this candle take 15 minutes to close, 20 pips stop below the previous swing low, and 50 pip. Don't be greedy. Don't go for 100 pips because that breaks the system. Okay. And then you just set and go. Set and go. Don't need to watch it. Don't need to watch it. Don't need to watch it. Doesn't matter what it does. Doesn't matter how long it takes. Usually within a few hours. Oh, there it is there. Okay, so this is non-Heikin Ashi chart, so it's the actual live chart. So that's another $500. And you can have several trades at the same time, so just be aware of that during the live session. You may find that there are a few pairs ready. You don't want to be over trading because you're only looking for one decent trade, really, maybe two during the session, because then obviously you can bank $1,000 based upon a one lot system. So if you're trading a one lot system on a demo account of 10,000, it makes sense. You're risking 2% to make 5. And that's a nice way to trade it. If I was starting out fresh 30 plus years ago, if I saw this system, then I would be using this system to build my account much quicker. So this is the pound yen. We can see we've got the death cross. In other words, moving averages are pointing down, and blue below the red below the white is what we're looking for. And we can see that the price is having a correction. Buyers are trying to step in, but it's against the trend. So we do expect this price to move down. So this is what we'll be doing live. We'll be looking for these kind of corrections into the moving averages, which act as resistance. But of course we can't sell it. We have the buyers in. We want to wait for the sellers to step in. Let's just go back. It seems quick, but it's not. 15-minute chart. So that's what it would actually look like live. And very simply, once we see that, and as a team, of course, we can look around and scan the markets between us. 20 pip stop and a 50 pip target. Now this is not a swing high. Unusual, but nonetheless, we're only looking for 50 pips only. If you go for a swing high, which is here, you're looking at 41 pips, adjust your lot size accordingly. There's your $500. So another reminder, and this works on any asset. It can work on gold, silver. This is the S&P 500. We've been in this since October, and a long-term position. I'm just moving the stop each day for members. And this is the 15-minute chart that you can trade and bank $500. So there's a couple of rules, as we've mentioned previously. Your moving averages are stacking, acting as support now. So these are your support lines. And the stochastic is oversold in an uptrend. That's what you're looking for. That combination is perfect. This can happen on any time scale, as you've probably seen previously, if you've seen it in my videos, is that we can do this on the hourly as a position trade, as a swing trade. This is coming in closer to the market to get you more profits more often, if that's what you're looking for. So a swing low on an uptrend is what we're looking for, and the next step is we're looking for that buy signal. That there is 15 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes. So that's how much time you have. It's not a 1 minute chart. So while we're waiting for that to happen, of course, it can just get triggered and then you're in straight away. $20 pip stop. 50-point target. And your target is hit. So what are you waiting for? Once the market has hit the target, you just move on to another position, because this won't be setting up for some time to come. You take it forward. That's what you've banked your money, so it doesn't matter what happens now. You have a swing low, you have a swing low, you have a swing low. So a magic way of getting into a position and banking a lot of money very quickly. So the spaces are limited. If you want to join, then just click on the links below in the description, and we'll get you trading live during the New York session. And it's going to be around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. New York time, GMT. So whether that works for you, for wherever you are in the world, I don't know. I will be recording them as well, just so you can see how they work, why they work, and how you can profit. But I've put this together for the few people who want to make a regular income from trading and make a regular $500, whatever your number is.